today in the city of Lahore, we are in SOS villages in Pakistan to provide bags created by Emirates. Those bags will be provided to the children of SOS villages to help them with their future education and to help them build a better future for themselves.
SOS Children Villages has been here in Pakistan since 1975, and we provide a nurturing and loving environment to children who have lost parental care or are at risk of losing parental care. We started out with 3 children and now we have over 2,500 children in our care.
You're welcome. The material that we used was the fabric from our chairs. This is like the seats, and these are some of the leather from the headrest.
I think small things bring joy to children. Just a simple gift given to them. So I think these are little joys that give these children hope and something for the future. I would like to thank Emirates for giving us this generous gift. I think these will create happy memories for the children.